with our daily lead code series, and today's question is determine if a cell is reachable at a given time. Basically, we have given a 2D array, and in that 2D array there is a sx and there is a sy integer, and there is fx and there is fy. मतलब starting journey, starting point and ending point. Basically, we have a starting coordinates and ending coordinates and a non-negative integer t. So basically we have to go from starting cell to the ending cell by moving adjacent cells. If we have to reach the final destination before the t second. If we do that, return true, and if we not do that, return false. So like this, as you see, this is a starting point and this is a final point, and we have going from here to here. So let's just understand what we can do. So guys, basically if there is a starting point and there is an ending point, there is a coordinate of horizontal coordinates and vertical, मतलब x direction coordinate and y direction coordinate. So we have doing a basic thing. First of all, we have understand the edge case. Edge case is that अगर हमारा starting point and ending point is equal, both are equal, and we have given a t second as ones, then what we can say? We can say it is written false up to the questions condition. Okay, next is that we have to find the difference between x coordinates and y coordinates so that we can know the final distance, how much we have to travel, like sy and fy. And after getting these differences, we have doing what? We have something doing like for minimum number of steps we have to taken, and that steps are going from what? From like this diagonally, and when it comes to nearer, then we just make a difference. So in many things you have considered it as a maximum. जो हमारा मैक्सिमम डिफरेंस रहेगा ना, वही चीज हमें जो है फाइनली चेक करनी है कि इफ अवर मैक्सिमम डिफरेंसेस इज ग्रेटर देन टी. अगर वो लेसर देन टी हो गया तो हम कहेंगे भाई खत्म हो गया हमारा क्वेश्चन, वी हैव टू रिटर्न फॉल्स. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड इट, एंड बाय डूइंग द क्वेश्चन you have to understand it by one. Let's just okay, so absolute, we have using absolute sx and fx, and there is a y difference, and y difference is our absolute sy or fy. We have get the difference, and after getting this difference we have check one condition. If our difference is equals to 0, and then y difference is equals to 0, and then t equals to 1, then we have to return false. And at last, what we have to return? We have to return a max of x difference, y difference is greater than equal to t. Now we run this code, or this code is accepted. We have to submit the code, and yes guys, our daily lead code challenge is completed. Be with us, and there are already 250 videos on our channel. Please watch that videos and subscribe my channel.